To update your DJI Mic Mini is easy. All you need to do is simply ensure that you have the DJI Mimo app installed on your phone and that they've already been connected to the mics. From here, just go ahead and remove the mics from the case. And then you want to tap on this camera icon to connect the mics to the phone or to the app itself. Then from here, you should be able to see about devices. Go ahead and select it, and then you should see firmware version, so go ahead and tap on it. Now all you need to do is simply select install and wait for the firmware to be downloaded. And once the update is complete, just tap on done. And then it will prompt you to now update the receiver. So all you need to do is select OK, connect the receiver and the transmitter to your phone, and you can also go through the process of updating those items as well. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.